The feeling that you get when you get into particularly a vintage 911 that's been restored or maintained properly to its original specification, these cars are extraordinarily rewarding. They exude passion. Hi, I'm Carl Toffelmeyer, Director of Classic Operations at Porsche South Bay.
Ready to go?
The beauty of the Classic Partner Program is that it allows for everything from minor service all the way up to a comprehensive restoration for concourse. The Porsche Classic Program issue 250 plus new parts for Classic Porsches every year. They provide training to technicians and our staff and really have a very, very robust network where comprehensive and complete restoration services can be had, all under one roof. So we're going to take a look at our 1971 911T that's going through restoration now. Just recently, the engine and driveline were married to the chassis. The car has gone through a complete ground-up restoration. Every nut and bolt was removed from the car and then replated, replaced, or brought back to original conditions. The interior has been gone through completely. All gaskets, trim, seating equipment, everything has been gone through on this car from top to bottom. So in very short order, this is going to be a running, driving, brand new 1971 911T. That ring is a spring that's inside the door, and it's intoxicating for folks. It's another one of those goofy little 911-isms. So Porsche has approximately 70% of all the cars they've ever made on the road still at this stage in their evolution. So we find that the Classic program gives folks the opportunity to bring that car back to life. What we have is a full circle approach with the sales department and staff that are especially trained, not just servicing, but the care that the customer needs, which is different at this level. And Porsche Classic allows for that to happen.